Hey everyone, welcome back to Elizabeth Healthy Plate. Today we are making a simple yet delicious dish. Boiled and ripe bananas with a flavorful onions and spice mix. This is a nutritious meal packed with flavor, and I'll show you step by step on how to prepare it. So let's get started. First, take 6 unripe bananas and trim the edges. Then, make a slit along each banana. This makes it easy to peel after boiling. Now give them a good wash to remove any dirt. Next, place the banana in a pan, add enough water to cover them, and let them boil for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are soft. Cover the pot and let them cook. Once the bananas are cooked, let them cool for about 3 minutes so they are easy to handle. Then gently peel off the skin. Be careful, they might still be hot. If they are too soft, use a spoon to remove the skin without breaking them. Now, let's prepare our taste onion and spice mix. Take 2 medium large onion and chop them finely. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat, then add the chopped onions. Fry until they turn golden brown. This brings out a rich, sweet flavor. Now, add a half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 spoon of black pepper. Stir well to blend the flavor. Once our onion and spice mix is well blended, pour it over the peeled banana and gently mix to coat them evenly. And just like that, our delicious boiled banana with onion and spices are ready. Serve it hot and enjoy with the drink of your choice. Tea, juice, or even a warm herbal drink. And that is it. A simple, delicious, and healthy way to enjoy boiled and ripe banana with a flavorful onion spice mix. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know if in the comment section. Have you tried cooking green banana this way before? What's your favorite way to prepare them? Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friend, and subscribe to our Elizabeth Healthy Plate for more nutritious and tasty recipe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.